Hi you guys, welcome back to my garden. In today's video, I have so many fun and exciting things for you. First and foremost, I'm gonna do an unboxing with you guys. I am also gonna show you a couple of the other pieces, so it's gonna be more of a sneak peek because typically I do not show my pieces, but I am going to show you these other two pieces because I want you guys to be able to see the quality of containers from this company. We're also going to do a little bit of container maintenance to make sure our containers and our plantings and all of our hard work, we continue to have a beautiful display and show. I'm going to show you how we do that. And then from there, of course, you know we're going to do a little bit of planting now. So let's get into it. Okay, so first, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in, I'm going to clear out these beautiful annuals because we're going to be planting all of these annuals up today. So let me go ahead, get everything out of the way, and then we'll do the unboxing first because I am excited. So I didn't open it in advance. I wanted to open it up with you guys because literally, you guys, there's no way I should have won this piece. But I want you guys to be able to see the quality firsthand. So let's go ahead and get everything scooted out the way real quick. Let me set my coffee down. You know I got to have my morning coffee. So I'm going to just move all this stuff to the side and then we'll get down to business. Look at that, you guys. So they sent a catalog. I already see something that I want right on the cover. Guys, this is so perfect. Let me get this stuff out of here. Oh, the quality. Let me set this off to the side. I'm going to move this stuff out the way real quick, and that way I can show you the obelisk. Let me move this out of the way real quick. Alright, can you guys see these two pieces? So these are two pieces from Deer Park Ironworks, and you see how tall I am, and you see the height of the two pieces here. Let me scoot over here. Sturdy, beautiful pieces, and I love these obelisks because it's just quality. Okay, can you guys see it better now? Can you guys see that? Just a beautiful design, but that's just a little behind the scenes sneak peek of what some of their pieces look like. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I am going to link their Instagram page right here. So go follow them on Instagram. The only thing you had to do was like the picture, follow the account, and tag somebody. I tagged as many people as I knew because one, I already know the quality of their pieces. To me, it was a bonus. And then when I found out that I won, I was just super excited because I knew I was getting a quality piece. Oh, they sent the piece out. Let me run and go and get the hanging basket real quick. All right, so here is the piece, and you actually can see it better on the inside. And just so you guys can see the name of the company, can you guys see that? Focus, focus. Okay, so this is the name of the company. This is what basket piece looks like right here. And so the only thing you had to do was those simple steps. Now you can't ask for anything much more than to get a nice quality piece, and it's heavy. Like, it's a good quality piece, and that's what I love about it. Also, if you guys get in close, like, you can see the patina, the finish on there. Can you guys see that? It's the aged patina. And so their pieces typically come in black or this aged patina here. Like, I went with the aged. Well, this was what they were carrying when I bought these. And OMG. So I bought these obelisks last year. And when I tell you, I probably will more than likely order the other size in these. OMG. Like, just the quality is so on point. But you guys will be seeing these in a beautiful display. And then I'm also going to go in and I'm going to plant up these containers as well. So now that we got this out of the way, let's go ahead and start getting everything together so we can get these plants fertilized. We're going to do a little bit of container maintenance. So let's get that set up as well. Night and day. Okay, so now, and look at our purple fountain grass here just already starting to come in. A couple of things that you want to keep in mind when you're fertilizing your plants. First and foremost, when you fertilize, you want to make sure when you're fertilizing, the plants that you're fertilizing are well hydrated. You definitely do not want to come in and try to push growth in a plant that's already stressed. I like to start off by making sure I water my plants. Typically, the day before, I'll come out and I will give my plants a very good watering. That way, I know I have them started off for success and they'll be able to take up the nutrients. Then I like to go in and I like to do any type of maintenance that I have that's due on a container. I like to go in, I like to deadhead, I like to take off any foliage that's not attractive. Once I get all of that going, then I start the process of fertilization. In a little baggie here, right? They come in a baggie, and then they also have a scooper. But since I already have one in rotation, what I'm going to do is I am going to take this. I can then take this. See, I already have one that I've been using. But you just open it up, and then you pour it into the next one. And I like that because it keeps it fresh. So what we're going to do is we're going to prep some up with a clean watering can. 1 scoop per gallon, so 1 to 1. Tad bit of water in there before I start mixing it up. I go in and kind of mix it up with the sprayer full blast. I can, and it takes a small amount. So that's one container done, okay? Now we move on to the next one. Container right here, you don't need any type of deadheading because everything in here is no need for you to go in and deadhead. So you can go ahead and clean it up just to make it look a little bit better, and that's what I'm going to do real quick. Kind of just take off everything that's, you know, kind of not looking attractive. Not too much. If I see any leggy type growth like that, I will go ahead and clip that off because I want to encourage it to bush out. All right, that looks pretty good. Now typically I try not to overhead water, but sometimes you just don't have those spaces in a container. Sometimes I will unscrew the nozzle. So like for example, you can take this nozzle off the sprayer, right? And then I'll go in and just kind of water like that. Can you guys see that? Go ahead, do the window box, do all of the planters in this area, and just show you guys how I move along, okay? It's buds all over this. Now that I have everything fertilized, let's go ahead and add some color to the lion fountain area. We have Supertunia Vista Fuchsia, Supertunia Bordeaux, and Supertunia Honey. I'm done putting those annuals inside of those containers. Now, I must say, I'm very excited about the vision that I have for that area. This area is going to bring all of the drama. It's going to be packed with class and sassiness, and I'm so excited about it. Love to know what you guys think about that beautiful hanging basket that I won. Make sure you guys head over to Deer Park Ironworks Instagram account. Make sure you're following them. I'm often asked about some of the places where I source my pieces. Now, I live in the St. Louis region, so you may not have access to some of the places in the boutiques that I frequent, But you guys, this is an opportunity for you to be able to literally go and follow them directly so you can get those sources. Now, I can say that the quality of their pieces, they're very thick and sturdy, and that's what I like about them. And remember, you guys, when you're buying obelisks and things for your garden, all pieces are not created equal. And what I mean by that is I would rather spend my money on quality pieces and know that I can have them for a long duration in my garden versus spending less money for a look that's only going to last for one season and then it's going to fall apart. So I like to source those pieces, and that's why I talk about saving money, because in the long run, when you buy quality pieces, you're saving money in the end because you're not having to constantly go in and replace those pieces. And when you get in a jam, I love to have obelisks in different little wire baskets and things like that for a beautiful thriller in your containers. And if you pick the right pieces, it's not hard for them to stand alone. So let me know what you guys think about that. What do you think about those colors that we're using over in the Lion Fountain area? I'm very excited that area is starting to take shape because I still need to get done, but hey, what do you do but check them off one by one by one, and that's what I'm trying to do. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for hanging out with me, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.